Hi. I used Codex 5.6 Soul as I first in a first single prompt. I described everything to him like what the nav bar I want, like in the center I want the search bar, and this button I want to the left side to the right side, and the layout I want like on a scrolling, when I scroll like then autoplay, and they will have what the buttons and their buttons on when I click on buttons, so what appears like, and below the footer what I want, and one a stick to below I want card having three buttons, and further I want like when I click on here, so it hides so far the users for the easy scrolling of them, and everything. So he built, and I described him like a video in a separately like how to make this like in what to like a magnetic old camera like that feeling make of range feeling, and their option I tell him like make according to the screen responsive of every device when they rotate, or we can make here, and him I describe like a voice as like a drum beat etc like way. And here as I describe him like on the upload option, so four buttons appear, and what I want like in ways like what I want as an optional, what I want other ways. So as the first, what as the on a 5.6 Soul Ultra, then I used it's a extra high model because Ultra use more tokens as I am on a plus model. So that's why as a single sort I did, then further there is no need of Ultra model as I have a plus subscription in that way. So then I also tell him like the search engine like how work, okay, and so he made according to, and these things I describe him how to make. So this I describe my ideas like of YouTube of draft, of YouTube analytics. This is like a Facebook posts, Twitter like texts, YouTube like videos, Instagram like reels. So everything, this is the my new creative style to make, and icon as an animation etc. So this I make as like people have a low focus span, so how to make less clutter. So you see like this is also clutter I manage here on here button, so people if want they can see, and they can see like full screen they can make.